This is Romeo and Tammy. Romeo has been in training for 4 months, and he hasn't been in a trailer for that entire time. So, good luck, Tammy. There he goes. There we go. Yay! All the way in.
All right, we're going to back out, so don't stop. Okay.
All right. Good job. Good job, Tammy and Romeo.